Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change windshield wipers on your Nissan Rogue Sport. Replacing your wiper blades is a simple maintenance task that significantly improves driving safety. You will learn to replace both the front and rear wiper blades with ease. This process typically takes less than 15 minutes and requires only a few basic tools. Let's get started and ensure your visibility is always crystal clear. First, carefully lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright and locks into place. Be gentle to prevent any damage. Next, examine the wiper blade's connection point to the arm. You will typically find a small tab or button that needs to be pressed. Once pressed, slide the old blade downwards or outwards to detach it from the arm's hook. Always lower the arm gently back onto the windshield or place a towel down to prevent glass damage. Now, take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade upwards onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Give the blade a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached and won't come loose during operation. Repeat these steps for the other front wiper blade and, if applicable, the rear wiper blade. This ensures all your new blades are properly installed. Once all new blades are installed, gently lower each wiper arm back onto the windshield. Before driving, turn on your vehicle and activate the wipers on their lowest setting. Observe the new blades as they sweep across the glass, ensuring they operate smoothly and clear the windshield without leaving any streaks. For optimal visibility and safety, it is recommended to replace your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months, or as soon as you notice reduced performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.